Another feature you won't find on the Kubota, the new 220R Quik-Park loader. Built to handle heavy loads and repetitive loader work, this new loader also offers a heavy-duty bucket with integrated loops to secure material. And when it's time to take the loader off, its self-park feature makes the on-off process simple and speedy. The integrated parking stand drops down, making it easy to store and go. Want even more loader convenience? Now you can add an optional single-point hydraulic connection which allows you to connect and disconnect all 4 hydraulic lines with one simple lever. No confusion and no mess. You can do it all from your seat. Compare these features to the LA534 loader that requires trips to and from the operator's seat to attach and detach. It also uses 2 independent parking stands, which are more likely to sink into the ground during storage, making the loader unlevel and difficult to attach again. When it comes to the ease, power, and convenience of the new 220R loader, there is no true competition. And the industry-exclusive quick attach implements on the 2R don't stop there.